It is well known that motorized bicycles are both good for the world and also a person's finances. However, we will be perfectly frank. Bikes that are utilizing gas-driven motors have technically been shown to crank out and clean exhaust compared to their larger-sized competitors. This is because of the loss of emission control systems, predominantly as a result of the total area required to attach those things. Still, in the event you do get a fuel-powered bicycle, your impact on the environment will likely be well less than what's produced by the littlest of cars, so you'll be adding much less to the world's carbon emissions. This is simply because motorized bikes use less fuel and may get approximately 100 miles per gallon or even more, so the CO2 discharge are not at all comparable to that of a car or truck. Be that as it may, it is accurate that the smog is filthy, so you probably will not want to operate it in a garage. With an electric powered drive mechanism, your bicycle will release absolutely no smog while you are driving. The favorite way to go is usually a human electric crossbreed bicycle, often referred to as a pedelec. Even if taking into consideration the pollution that is produced to generate the electricity to power up a battery, electric bikes introduce only 1/10 of the greenhouse gases that's normally introduced by using a vehicle a similar distance. This is lowered further by simply pedaling with a hybrid electric bicycle. If it so happens that you prefer making use of a bicycle more, but realize you are going with a vehicle, seriously consider buying a di-electric bicycle system. As a result of adding an electric motor to an old and worn bicycle, it is possible to propel yourself like one usually would and then effortlessly turn your handlebar for power when it's needed, like driving up a large hill. You will find there are loads of remarkable benefits from regularly scheduled biking, including physical fitness and mental fitness. Simply by making one basic alteration in your lifestyle, for instance, such as biking to work, now you could get the approved amount of day-to-day activity to be much healthier. Riding a bicycle grows muscle in your limbs, builds your tone of muscle, betters endurance, heightens aerobic well-being, burns calories, boosts coordination, minimizes stress, increases youthfulness, etc. etc. When contemplating the extra money you can save by getting a motorized bicycle, all of us are likely to stop at the high gas prices. While that does aggregate to loads of cash, as time passes, you will find there's quite a lot of various other ways biking could conserve you money as well. Beyond just not spending money on fuel, a motor-assisted cycle can actually compensate for a secondary automobile. Doing so not only saves a bunch with the upfront price tag of a car, but additionally considerably more capital over the years when bearing in mind the many other charges. Join the motorized bicycle movement now and begin a healthier life today.